Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm back with a small project. I made this photo frame wall hanging for my sister. She's going to participate in a game or something, sort of Christmas theme game, I guess. So she will have to gift one person anything. So she asked me to make something for that person. So I made this wall hanging photo frame. So here let's have a closer look. My camera is not picking up the actual light. So that's the first frame over there, and here is the second one. So I just die cut some burlap flowers, some green leaves, and some stickers and all. So that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Just comment below how you like my project, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. In the next video I'm going to give you a announcement on a coming giveaway, so be sure to subscribe. Thanks, bye bye.